GSPSCN brand is a professional manufacturer of tire inflator. The air compressor is suitable for car, motorcycle, bicycle, van, SUV, small truck, ball etc. Our package include a toolbox, 11.5 feet air hose, battery clamp, fuse, 3 nozzles, and tire repair kit. The tire inflator can use a cigarette lighter or car battery as a power source. We recommend car battery which can faster inflated. This air compressor can inflated the 16-inch tire to 35 psi in 2 minutes. We provide 11.5 feet air hose, which is long enough to suitable for various car models. We test inflatable bicycles, basketballs, airbed swimming rings, which can be completed in a few seconds, and the usage is very convenient and fast. The tire inflator is equipped with bright LED lights, makes for convenient use at night. Visit the official store of GSPSCN. There are more air compressor in our store for you to choose.